If you don't have a lot of space in your kitchen, this air fryer might be the best. It looks huge, but it has a trick up its sleeve. Plus, you won't need a normal toaster either, because it can do that too. It has 8 other modes besides air frying. It can fit a 13-inch pizza. It flips up for storage and easy cleaning. This Wiener Slicer, for professionally slicing your hot dog. If you drink 3 coffees a day, you might be spending over $1,000 on pods alone. Instead, you could get this fully automatic coffee machine that makes 13 types of coffee, all the way from espresso to cappuccino. It grinds the beans, does the brewing, and dumps the grinds after it's done. This blender whisk that spins really fast when you push down on the handle. If you take these, dump them here, and press this button, you probably have an IQ of 2000 because you're using science to carbonate your drinks instead of relying on CO2 tanks like K-Person gadgets. This collapsible bin that also transforms into a handy basket. These tongs will keep your counters mess-free, and this garlic grinder is perfect for mincing large amounts quickly. Here's an adjustable rack for stacking pots and pans to make access easier. This is the quickest way to dice veggies into various sizes. Just wham, bam, slam, and they drop into the strainer or the oven-safe container.